Don't start your day with broken pieces of yesterday. Every day is a fresh start. Every day is a new beginning. Each morning we wake up is the first day of our new life. Be thankful for every sunrise because waking up to see another day is a blessing. Never force anything. Just let it be. If it's meant to be, it will be. I am grateful to the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha.
មានសំណាងបានកើតជាជនជាតិខ្មែរឈាមចរអ្នកស្រែពួញខ្មែរអ្នកសាងអង្គរខ្មែរមានវប្បធម៌ភោផង់ស្រង់ល្អខ្មែរមានប្រាសាទថ្មឈរពីពេញដែនដី